Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to disable automatic login on macOS Ventura. You will also learn how to lock your Mac screen to secure your computer. You might have your Mac set to automatic login so you can easily access your files and folders. While automatic logging is a quick and convenient way to get to your computer, it poses a high security and privacy risk. If you work in a co-working space or have multiple user accounts, it will be easy for anyone to access your files, emails, messages, photos, addresses, phone numbers, etc. Imagine if your computer gets stolen, a thief won't have problems guessing your username or password. Disabling automatic logging is one of the best security measures you should take to protect your sensitive information. By deactivating automatic logging, you can have peace of mind. Before turning off automatic login, make sure you still remember your username and password. You can't log in if you forget them. If you are worried you might forget your password, write it down, keep it in a safe place, and ensure it still works. After disabling automatic login, your Mac will prompt you to enter your username and password whenever you start up your Mac. If automatic login is already enabled, you won't see the login screen. You will not see the login screen. So there is no need to enter your username and password. After starting up, you will see your Mac desktop. While this is a quick and convenient way to access your files and folders, it's not the best way when considering security and privacy. To turn off automatic logging, click on the Apple icon, select System Settings from the drop-down menu, and then click on Users and Groups in the left pane. You will see your username, in this case, Dave. Click on the arrow and select Off to turn off automatic login. Enter your password and click on the Unlock button. Suppose you are worried that someone may get access to your computer while you are away from your desk or taking a break. In that case, you can configure your Mac to require a password after the screensaver begins or the display is turned off by clicking on Lock Screen and selecting a time from immediately to 8 hours from the pull-down options list. Immediately is recommended. After choosing immediately, enter your password and click Modify Settings. If you decide to disable this feature, click on the pull-down options list, choose Never, enter your password, and click on the Modify Settings button. Next time, when you start up your Mac, you will be prompted to enter your username and password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you learned something new from it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to receive notifications of upcoming tutorials. Your support will encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you for for watching.